how to include or exclude all image and video metadata when sharing in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, we then select the pictures. So touch and hold on one of the picture, and then you can select one or many pictures. After that, tap on the share button. Now, before you share to other apps, tap on the option button at the top, and then go down and tap on include all image and video data. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here's the include all metadata and original as well as edited versions of images and videos. Okay, so tap on the back key. Here, choose where you want to share it to. You can share it to Samsung Note, messages, email, and other apps. Or you can quick share to another device. So, okay, so here I will share it to my other device. So I'll go to my other device and then I'll select receive file. Okay, so now it is receiving, so I can open them. Now if I go back to my gallery in here, if I go down, I can view my meta tag information. Over here, I can also view the meta tag information on this device. Right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.